In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a link to send large files. You can send up to 15 gigabytes using this method completely for free. So right here I have 3 video files which make up 1.2 gigabyte. Obviously this isn't too large, but you can send up to 15 gigabyte with this method. Now what I would recommend you do with your files is highlight all of them once you've got them open in File Explorer. Right click and then just go ahead and compress them to a zip file. This just makes everything easier and we can then upload and share them as a link. So now the files are compressed, we need to open up a web browser, and to send the files via a link, we're going to be using Google Drive. So go to Google, and if you're logged into your Google account already, you can go to the Google Apps button in the top right, and then you can click on Drive and that will open up Google Drive. If you're not logged into your Google account, you can just simply Google search for Google Drive and then go ahead and create a Google account or sign in and you'll be taken to the Google Drive window. Now for free, we can use 15 gigabyte. If you need more than that, you can click get more storage and upgrade. But what we're going to do is we're going to click new in the top left hand corner and we can then create a new folder. Then I'm going to call this folder files, and then inside of this folder, we can go ahead and upload the files. So we'll double click in the folder. We'll then go ahead and click new, file upload, and here we can find the zip file, which we can then go ahead and open and upload to Google Drive. So this can take a while depending on how big your file and how fast your internet connection is. Once your files are uploaded, we can now get a shareable link. To do that, what I would do is right click on the folder that you've created. Then if you go to share and then click share again, we can then get a shareable link. Now, to make this a link that somebody can access without requesting access, change it from restricted to anyone with the link. Now you can click on copy link, and now you can give this link to anyone that needs it. They'll then be able to access these files and download them. So when they click on your link, they'll see something like this. They'll be able to preview your files and also click download and download all of them. That's how you can do it. Please leave a like and comment if it was helpful.